Okay, there's one quick last thing to talk about for this section. It is talking about the two different types of forms. There's one type of form called exponential form, and there's another type of form that's called radical form. The form you see right here, anything that's x to the m over n, this would be exponential form because we have this exponent here. So maybe just write that in there. Exponential form. Okay. Now, another form that is equivalent to this is called radical form. And whenever you see this thing right here, see this? That's a radical. So whenever you see that, that's radical form. And I just want to point something out to you guys, okay? How you can easily go between these two forms. So, in this situation, check out my m right here. My m is, these are the same thing, right? Those go together. And then this right here is the root, and the root's in the denominator here of the exponential form. Those two go together. So I got this problem right here. I want you to simplify 64 to the 2/3 power, and to do that, we're going to try to change this to radical form and simplify it. So first, let's try to change it to that radical form. This is going to be my radical. This 3 goes right here, and the 2 is going to go with my 64. So I got 64 to the 2nd power right there. Okay. So that's going in between the two forms. Now I have it in this form right here, and now I got to figure out what's my final solution for it. So I'll take out my trusty calculator, and what I'm going to do is I got to put in the third roots. Where is third root in here? Do they have it? I think it's under math. So I go to math. Yep, it is. See this 4? So I'm going to put the third root of 64 squared. Let's see what we get for that. 16. There we go. Our final answer is 16 for this one. So I just want to show you how you can go between the two forms and then put something like this into your calculator to get a simplified version of that. So yeah, that's all this one's all about. Just make sure you can transfer between these two different forms.